Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In today's video, we're gonna draw this 3D part on SolidWorks. So let's go straight to it. First, we hit sketch, then we choose our plan. Click on circle. From the origin, we draw two circles. I'm drawing this half of cylinder. See? We have 27 and 40. Alright, click on line. Then we'll trim. Choose power trim, small dimension. We have 27 and 40. All right, go to features, extrude boss base. Let's see, we have 85. Let's make it in the middle, and that's the way of thinking. You have to think what you will do next. For example, adding those two parts. They are placed in the middle, like you see. So you have to think about that before to avoid adding other planes. Set 85 here and choose mid plane to just work only on one plane to avoid adding other planes. Okay, go to sketch, choose plane. Let's go start with this one. Okay, click on line. I will zoom it. Circle, smaller, then line, like that. Okay, when you're moving your line, avoid any constraints, guys, like tangent or some stuff like that. Trim entities. Let's remove this one and this one. Yes. Now let's define the dimension. We have 17 radius. You have circle inside also. Diameter 14. Okay, make it down this one. Yes. All right. Let's make this point and this point horizontal. We have 60 from the origin to this point. Okay. And we have 15 and 17.6 from this point. Is 15 from this point. 17.6. All right. Still have only the angle right now. We have 75. Let's go to the center line. Okay. First, we have to make this point and this point vertical and add the angle right now, 75. All right. Now go to convert entities, click to the surface, then you'll trim. See? Go to features, extrude boss base, make it mid plane, and let's see. We have 45. Click on the contours. Okay. Now we will remove some material. Go to sketch, choose same plane. Okay. All right. We have this radius, which is 65. We choose 3-point arc, and from this point, we are moving always. Avoid constraints. 65, and from this point to this point we have 9. All right, now we're gonna convert entities. This one, then we will trim. You don't need them. Okay, features, extrude cut. All right, we have, let's extrude it with offset because we have 7.5. It's not symmetric, that's what I mean. 7.5 and 15. Okay, let's go. Direction 1, offset from surface, 7.5 we have, and direction 2, offset from surface and select surface, we have 15. Click OK. Yes, like you see it, it's thicker than this one. All right, we have circle here with diameter 6. Click on the surface, sketch, choose circle, go to small dimension, diameter 6. Okay, see it's blue, it's underdefined. So we can add center line from this point and click this point and this line and make them coincident, or I will show you another method to make it in the middle here. No need to add another construction line. You can from this, with this point, see, and this point, make them vertical. See, it's fully defined right now. And go to features, extrude cut. It's a whole, let's see, it's not through all as I see here. It's just up to next. Okay, go here and up to next. See, from this view is better. Yes, see, it's good. Okay, now let's draw from the other side. Okay, this one we have 55 and 70. Okay, let's choose the surface. It's not from here, I will show you. It's on the middle, like we said. Let's choose corner rectangle. It's 55, and from the center is 70. All right, it's in the middle, like I said. We can add a line and make them symmetric. Let's do this method. Click on 3 of them and make them symmetric. All right, we have chamfer. Let's see. Yes, we have 5 millimeter. Yes, okay. See, it's all good. All right. Okay, we have this one to draw it. It's radius 7, 20. Okay, and from here to here 10.5. Now I guess it's from the other direction because it's from, yes, it's from here. 10.5. All right, now let's trim. Go to features, extrude boss base, flip it. We have 15. Click OK. See, it's all good. Yes. What else? Let's draw this cylinder. We have 30 and 25 radius, so it's 50. Okay, go to sketch. Yes, draw 2 circles. 30 and 50. Okay. See, from the center to this line is 20, and from the center of the cylinder to the bottom is 85. Okay, so it's 20 from here to here, and from the center to the bottom 85. Now it's fully defined. Click OK. Extrude boss base. Actually, it's not mid plane. See, this is the mid plane. We have 40 and 25. Yes, on this direction. 40. Click on the direction 2. We have 25. Click OK. That's good. Yes. What we have next? We will add this part. See? Now we have 34. Okay. The depth. Then see in the middle. From the X we have okay, we have 85. We can add the half of 34, which is 17. Okay, so we create a plane from the bottom, flip it. We have 85 plus 17, 102, yes. Okay, we'll draw it from this side. Click sketch, Control 8, yes. Click on line, then let's draw it. Get back, see, to make the half circle. Find the middle point, and with this point, make it vertical. Let's add some dimensions. We have 14 radius, alright. You have circle inside. 14 diameter. What we have next? Okay, from the X to the X of the cylinder, but it's not shown here. So how to do it? Go to here and click on the view temporary axis. Now you can see it. So you can add your dimension from here to here, 33. Yes. Okay. Now get back and remove them. You can see it from here if when you extrude the boss, if it passes through this hole or not. And I will show you next another method. But now try to make it with the sketch. Control 8. Go to features, extrude boss base. We have 34, not 40. We have 34, yes. Downside. Like that, you see, it's not passing through the hole. Or good. Alright, now let's draw this rectangle on the middle. Choose center line. Click those 3 lines and make them symmetric. So make those 2 lines, but I mean symmetric with this construction line. Alright, we have 4. Sorry. Alright. Again, no need to define. Extrude cut through all. See, all good. What else we have next? Well, let's draw, let's say this wall from the back. It's here. Okay, let's choose the surface, sketch. See, I will show you. See here, it's 10. It's a coincident with the surface. All right, let's get back. Okay, avoid any constraints. See the middle point? I didn't start from there, so avoid the constraints here and get back to make angle. Okay, better make it that to avoid any constraints. Then here until, okay, make it vertical. You can move it back right now. See, okay. Now let's add dimensions. We have 20 and 135. 20, 135. It's by coincidence. We have radius 10. All right. We have 20 from this point to the origin. Okay, and here from this line to this point we have 35. All right. As I told you before, I will show you another method. If it passes through, how to remove it. Okay, let's make it like that. Leave it. Okay, go to features. Oh, sorry, let's get back. Sketch first. Control 8. Let's close our sketch by sketch, convert entities, convert this one, this one. All right, it's good. No need to trim, just we will select the contours. I will show you. like that. See, flip the direction. We have 10. Yes. Okay. See, it's all good right now. Just how to remove this from the cylinder. Go mesh modeling, sorry, then delete face, click here and here and here, remove all the faces, click OK. It's done. See, it's all good. What you still have next, sorry, let's remove this plane, let's hide it. Okay, we have this rib. All right, go to sketch, choose the mid plane. Yes. Go line. Yes. And make it tangent. Yes. Okay. Let's define the dimension. We have 5, like you see here. Sorry, smart dimension. Okay, it's not fully defined. The reason why it's not tangent, click on this line and this line and make it tangent. Okay, it's fully defined. Go to features, rib, and we choose the thickness. We have 10 millimeter, and we will choose. See, it's it's symmetric both sides, and 10 millimeter. It's okay. Yes, click OK. See, it's done. It's not that hard. All right, we still have the chamfers. Let's do it. We have here 27 and it's 3. Sorry again. Go to chamfer. It's 3, not 2. To check it, we have to see the radius next, because we have 30 here. Let's see. Click on this line. See, it's radius 30. What else we have? I guess we have also chamfers inside with 2. Yes, chamfer here and here, but with 2, not 3. All right, what we have next? I guess it's all okay. So next we'll add some material. I will show you how. Let's get back, sorry. Go to material, see it's not specified. Right click, edit material, and you see you can find here steel, iron, aluminum, titanium, zinc, and also you can add other materials and specialized materials. You can click here and make a new category, then new material. Okay, and then choose your properties. So no need to add now new material. Let's choose simple one, 1020. Okay, it's basic steel. All right, click apply. See, it's now applied. All right, let's change the color. No problem now. Edit appearance, make it blue. Okay, it's all good. Now, to check if you are right or not, you can evaluate yourself, guys, with the mass. Go here, evaluate, see, evaluate, mass properties, and you'll check your mass with the grams. And leave in the comments below how much did you get the mass, if you're right or not. Alright guys, now it's the end of the video. See you next in the other episodes. Have a nice day guys, and stay safe.